This is code.org, and this is a check for understanding. All right, let's take a look at these, and then students, we want to use our resources. This stuff is confusing, but code.org provides so many resources. So let's see what we got here. Tourniquet, call by value, null pointer exception, return by value. And over here we have copying the value of the actual parameter to the constructor's formal parameters. Ooh, lots of fancy language there. A copy of a value is given to where the method is called. Okay. An error that occurs in reference does not point to an object to cut off data from end to end. All right. So we can take a shot at some of these, but honestly, I'm going to use my resources. I'm going to click right up here. And again, there's a ton of students' resources. Look right here. Which one was that? We're on 7. Cool. I want to check out what they provide us. All right, so we have an accessor method, we have a return by value, and return by type. Let's see what return by value is. It is a copy of a value. A copy of a value is given to where the method is called. Interesting. Well, didn't we have that? Yep, return by value. A copy of a value is given to where the method is called. And all that is saying is we could run a method and do 2 plus 2, and then when the method is done, it pushes 2 back to wherever we asked that to run. That sounds a bit weird. It's going to make sense once we see it a bit more, but it's good to understand this. Return by value, a value is given back to wherever we asked that chunk of code to run. Oh, that's not what I needed. Now, return by type. The type of value to be given from the method, return type. Type of value, oh, that's not over here. How about call by value and tourniquet? Nope, but we have more resources. Let's jump. And let me check out 6. Maybe they have a few of these vocab words. About 5. Ooh, I think I recognize this one. Null pointer exception. An error that occurs when a reference does not point to an object. An error that occurs, yep, when something's null, there's no value. Null pointer exception, bam. So we need call by value and tourniquet still. Tourniquet. Call by value. Copying the value of the actual parameter to the constructor's formal parameter. So, boom, boom, call by value, copying the value of the actual parameter to the constructor's formal parameter. And to cut off data, yep, tourniquet is to cut off data from end to end. And you can think of that like if you have a wound or in warfare, they'll tourniquet someone's arm by, tying a very tight piece of cloth or something around someone's arm to stop excess bleeding and things like this. Kind of gross, but it's the same principle, right? You're cutting off data. You're preventing it from flowing out. Anyways, bam and bam. Use your resources. There's so many good ones on this site. Let's keep going.